Hello everybody and welcome to another FAQ type video. Now, yesterday, or rather in the early hours of this morning, I uploaded the credits and thanks video, and on the end of that, or in the description of that video rather, there was two links to somewhere where you can download my save games for the campaign pre and post invasion of the Middle East. Now, some people seem to be managing importing that into their game. Some people are having a few problems. Now, I think the main problem will be the actual location of where you have to put the save game in question. Because to load the save game in Medieval 2 Total War, you have to place it into the right folder, into the right folder. So, for instance, let's take this Dead Space here. This is the save game that I want to import into the right location so that I can play it in my version of Med 2. Now, the first thing you need to realize is that on Windows Vista and Windows 7, the save game location on Medieval 2 Total War is actually located in a hidden file, which isn't ordinarily visible. So the first thing you have to do is make all hidden files visible, and to do that you go to search, folder options, and when you go to view, there should be something called, if you look down, hidden files and folders. Now, ordinarily it will be clicked on don't show. You just have to change it so that it does show hidden files, folders and drives. Click apply, click OK. That's your first step. You need to make all folders, files visible. The second step is to put this into the right folder. So where exactly is the right folder? You go to your C drive, so go to your computer, go to your C drives, and we need to find the users file. Click on your user account, and the hidden file that we are after is called app data. As you can see, it's slightly grayed out compared to the rest. That's because it's a hidden file, so that's why we have to show all hidden files. So we go into app data, go into local, scroll down till you find the folder called virtual store, program files again, Sega, Medieval 2, and voila, there is the save file location. As you can see, there's all my current save games for my version of Medieval 2, and then all you have to do is, if this was a save game that I've downloaded and I want to put it into my version of Med 2, just simply drag it into this folder, close it down, and when I load up Medieval 2 Total War and click on load campaign, that save game should now be listed as available to load. So you load it up and it should be fine. So that's all there is to it. Two fairly simple steps. Make all folders visible, including hidden files, and then go to the right location and drag the save game from wherever you've downloaded it into the save game file, and that should be hopefully solving a lot of people's problems. Another thing, I don't know if there's going to be problems regarding compatibility issues with different versions of Medieval 2. Obviously you can patch your version of Medieval to different versions. I downloaded my Medieval 2 and then I installed my Medieval 2 and then installed Medieval Kingdoms, and that's all I've done. So my version of Medieval 2 Total War is patched to whatever version Kingdoms is. So that's what my version is. I don't know if yours has to be compatible with that, in other words the same, or if you can actually do it with a different version. Try it out. But anyway, that's hopefully going to solve a lot of people's problems. If it doesn't, keep posting the comments on this video as to what trouble you're having importing the save game into your games, and I hope it does solve your issues. Right, see you next time. Goodbye for now.